Hello students, welcome to today's session. Children, you learned that plants with erect stems can be classified into herbs, shrubs, and trees. Herbs have thin, slender stems, which is generally green in color, and the stem of the shrub is hard, slightly brown colored, and trees have hard, thick stem, which is brown in color. And you also learned about the weak-stemmed plants. Generally, we can classify the weak-stemmed plants as creepers and climbers. Creepers, as their stem is weak, they spread on the soil, and the climbers also have weak stems, but they grow erect with the help of support. Now, whatever may be the type of stem, whether it is weak stem or the erect stem, whether it is a herb, shrub, or a tree, the stem has some common functions. And today you are going to learn about the functions of stem. We will learn the main function of the stem with the help of an activity. Here, the activity is we would require a glass, water, red ink, or any other colored ink, a herb, and a blade. So, what are the things we need for the activity? A glass, water, any colored ink, and also a small plant and a blade. Now, pour water to fill 1/3 of the glass, add a few drops of red ink into the water. First step, take some water in the glass. Then add a few drops of red ink or whatever is the color you have taken, that colored ink you pour to this water taken in the glass. Now, cut the base of the stem of the herb and put it in the glass. So, you will be taking the plant, a herb, cut the base of the stem of the plant and put the plant in this colored water taken in the glass. Now, observe it in the next day. So, that day you don't have to do anything with the plant, keep it in one place and you observe, you watch the plant in the next day. But you will be able to see, you can see that the remaining parts of the plant, means the leaves, branches, even the stem, and if there are any flowers, that all will be getting the color of the ink which we have taken. So we can see the color change in the remaining parts of the plant. How does it happen? It happened because the stem conducts the colored water taken in the glass to the remaining parts of the plant. From this activity, we can understand that the stem transport water. It helps in the transport of water. And suppose if you have taken green colored water, the parts of the plant will be appearing completely green. Even if any white flower is there, that white flower also will be appearing green color. So from this, we can conclude that we can understand that stem conducts water, just like the red ink. Minerals dissolved in water are also conducted by the stem. Okay. This first point we have to understand is that a stem conducts water along with the minerals. Not only it conducts water, it also conducts the food prepared by the leaves to the other parts of the plant. You know, in a plant, the leaf prepare the food for the whole plant. So leaf is called the kitchen of the plant. And this food prepared in the leaves is taken to the other parts of the plant by the stem. That is the second function of the stem. It transports the food prepared by the leaves to the other parts of the plant. Now, the stem has another function also. It keeps the plant upright. It helps the plant to stand straight. These are the three main points which are coming under the function of stem. And these points I am showing in the next slide, you see. And before that, you just see the diagram of the activity. See here in this diagram, you can see the red colored water. And this diagram shows the plant without adding any colored water. Is the plain water only taken. And second beaker, second glass, you can see the plant kept in the red colored water. As it is kept in the red colored water for some time, see the color change on the leaves and on the stem. The stem and the leaves will be appearing as the same color of the ink we have taken. And the next diagram, different colored inks are taken. Here is the green colored ink. So the leaves are completely appearing green. Perfect green color you can see here. And here the same red colored water is taken. So this way the color change will be able to see. Okay. Now we will learn the point about the function of the stem. See, functions of stem. First point, stem conducts water and minerals absorbed by the roots to the leaves. Second, it also transports the food prepared by the leaves to the other parts of the plant like roots, fruits, flowers, etc. And the third point, stem keeps the plant upright. Okay, children, we will learn about the leaf in the next video. Till then, bye.